Turn those speakers up. Cold start ahead. This video is more of an FYI than a DIY. I'm going to show how to relearn the tire pressure sensors on T1 platformed GM trucks. This procedure is on page 393 of the manual for my 2020 Sierra Denali, but if a picture is worth 1,000 words, this video is worth more than a whole book. If you want to skip directly to the learning procedure, there's an index in the description. TPMS relearn needs to be done more often than just replacing the sensors. You also need to relearn when swapping your summer or winter wheels or when rotating the tires. In this case, it's time to swap out my winter 20s for my summer 22s. So let's get that done first. My winter wheels are Blizzak snow tires on older Tahoe wheels. They required these spacers to fit over the brakes. With the wheels off, be sure to take some time to clean up the Brembos. Okay, let's get to the main point. With the summer wheels installed, time to relearn the TPMS. To get started, you will need a TPMS tool. Older GM vehicles used a magnet, newer ones require a more sophisticated tool. GM sells a tool just like this for about $60. This one is a $10 knockoff of the GM tool that I found on Amazon. I can confirm that it works perfectly on both the main wheels and on the trailer sensors. Turn the ignition on. On push-button trucks, push and hold the start button without pressing the brake until the LED turns green. If it turns yellow, you didn't hold long enough and the truck is only in ACC mode. You must be in run mode for this process. On the DIC, display the tire pressure screen. Then press and hold the scroll wheel button for a few seconds. The DIC will then say Tire Learn Mode Active, along with a couple of horn beeps. You must pair the wheels in the correct order. Start with the driver's front, then move to the passenger's front, passenger's rear, then the driver's rear. Learn mode is time sensitive, but you don't have to hurry too much. You have 2 minutes to match the first tire, and the whole process must be done within 5 minutes. It actually only takes a handful of seconds to do, but if you're too slow, you have to start over again. At each wheel, touch the black tip of the Learn tool to the tire sidewall right next to the valve stem. It actually worked better for me right on the sidewall and not on the stem itself. Press the TX button. The tool will transmit a signal for several seconds to tell the sensor to pair with the truck. You should hear a beep from the horn. This confirms the sensor is paired. Move on to the next one and repeat the process walking around the truck. Once you have all 4 done, 2 beeps confirm the process is complete. That's all there is to it. TPMS is programmed. Pairing the sensors for trailer tires is even easier. It's done through the trailering app on the infotainment display, and unlike the main vehicle sensors, it prompts you what to do. So let's get started. The description of this is on page 312 in the owner's manual. The trailer must be connected to the truck's electrical connection for this to work. open the trailering app and tap Trailers. Click the Edit button next to the trailer, then select Tire Pressure Setup. Choose the number of axles. If TPMS were previously programmed, they can be reprogrammed. This is necessary after any tire rotation or if you swap in your spare. Tap Start and pair the sensors on the order displayed on the screen. Left front, then counterclockwise around the trailer, ending with the right front tire. I wish the truck's main TPMS relearn were done the same way. This is much easier to follow with the larger screen and the clear prompts.